Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the future of the Iraqi dinar. Signs of change and economic shifts. The Iraqi dinar has been the focus of speculation and debate for years, but recent developments suggest that we may be entering a period of significant change. With economic policies evolving, financial reforms taking shape, and international trade relationships shifting, many investors and analysts are closely watching what's next for Iraq's currency. A surge in activity and optimism. Lately, there has been a noticeable increase in discussions and movements related to the Iraqi dinar, particularly in financial circles. Some experts believe that key players and groups, including those in financial hubs like Reno, Nevada, are actively engaged in negotiations and preparations. This has fueled speculation that changes in the dinar's valuation could be imminent. While optimism is high, it's essential to remain grounded and recognize that multiple factors influence currency movements. Iraq's economic policies, global oil prices, foreign relations, and geopolitical events all play a role in determining the dinar's trajectory. Iraq's energy sector and economic stability. One of the critical factors supporting Iraq's financial health is its energy sector. Despite concerns about sanctions or trade disruptions, Iraq continues to receive natural gas imports from Iran, ensuring the stability of its power grid. The Iranian government recently confirmed that energy exports to Iraq remain steady, easing fears of potential supply shortages. If restrictions were imposed on Iraq's financial system, it could disrupt economic stability, particularly by limiting access to the US dollar. Such a move could create a shortage of foreign currency, potentially leading to a black market surge in exchange rates. However, for now, Iraq's financial system remains operational, and government revenues remain strong. Iraq's push for economic diversification. For decades, Iraq's economy has been heavily reliant on oil, with nearly 88% of its revenue coming from petroleum exports. However, the Iraqi government has been actively working to reduce this dependency by investing in other sectors, including agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. Recent reports indicate that Iraq generated approximately $12.43 billion in non-oil revenues in 2024. While this is still a small percentage of the total economy, it represents a step toward greater financial stability. The government has also focused on improving tax collection efforts to boost domestic revenues without introducing new tax burdens on citizens. Looking ahead, Iraq's Parliamentary Finance Committee projects that non-oil revenues could reach $22 billion by 2025. If these targets are met, Iraq will be in a much stronger position to withstand fluctuations in global oil prices and improve its overall economic resilience. What does this mean for the Iraqi dinar? Predicting the exact movements of the Iraqi dinar remains challenging. While economic reforms and diversification efforts are promising, currency values are influenced by a complex web of domestic and international factors. A stronger economy and increased revenue streams could eventually lead to greater stability for the dinar. However, meaningful changes in its value will likely take time. While speculation about an imminent revaluation continues, it's important to focus on the broader economic progress Iraq is making. Final thoughts. Iraq is at a turning point, making strides in economic reforms and financial stability. While challenges remain, including potential international sanctions and oil price volatility, the country is making concerted efforts to strengthen its financial foundation. For those closely monitoring the Iraqi dinar, patience and a long-term perspective are essential. Rather than chasing short-term rumors, it's more valuable to focus on the real economic changes shaping Iraq's future. What do you think? Will Iraq's diversification efforts be enough to create a stable and growing economy? Or will oil continue to dominate its financial landscape? Let's discuss.